It is 6th of August 2020. Day is Thursday. Class 10th. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, do you know about electronic media and print media? Yes, electronic media like radio, television, internet, telephone work with electricity is called an electronic media. And print media like newspapers, magazines are in printed form, that is called print media. So students, today we have to do unit number 6, that is television versus newspapers. Television can be very useful for us, whereas newspaper provides a lot of information. So students, television versus newspapers. Versus means against. So television is an electronic media and newspaper is the print media. Television and newspaper, how it is called against or versus television and newspaper. Television and newspaper cannot be opposed to each other when both are trying to lift the curtain off our eyes and minds. So students, let's our lesson start with pre-reading questions. Question number 1 is, what kind of programs do you like to watch on television? Answer is, I like to watch informative and educational programs on television. Next question, what kind of news do you like to read in newspaper? So students, I like to read fictions, but it's your choice. You have to write yourselves any other information about country. Next question is, which medium of information is more important? Why? Both medium of information have their own charm, but I think television is more important medium of information because it provides latest news instantly with audio and visual aid. So students, let's start our lesson with paragraph number 1, that is news coverage. Our television is different from reading newspapers. Newspapers were primarily established to cover the news and later on the added entertainment. On the other side, television was mainly invented for entertainment and then it became an effective news medium. Now television news has become a powerful rival to newspapers. Though both of these mediums cover the news effectively, there are distinct differences in the way they do it. News coverage. Coverage is a noun and synonym is news and reports on TV, radio and television. Primarily is an adverb and synonym is basically or mostly. Established is a verb and its synonym is set up or started. Invented is a verb and its synonym is designed or framed. Effective is an adjective and its synonym is useful. Rival is a noun and its synonym is competitor. Medium is a noun and its synonym is way or means. Effectively is an adjective and its synonym is with good results. Distinct as an adjective and its synonym is easy to understand. So students, in this paragraph, television viewing is different from reading newspapers. Newspapers were mainly started to report news, but afterwards they added entertainment news. On the other hand, television was started for entertainment, but later on it became a useful news provider. Now, news on television strongly compete with news in newspapers. Both these mediums provide news very well. They provide news in different ways. Second paragraph is newspapers do not require us to sit at a place and read the news. Busy people may read the papers any time of the day. They may read the news that is important to them early in the morning and carry the paper with them to read in the bus or the van. They may also choose to omit certain aspects of the news that they are not interested in. Require is an verb and its synonym is need or want. Omit is a verb and its synonym is leave out or pass over. Certain is an adjective and its synonym is definite or particular. Aspects is a noun and its synonym is sides or facts. So students, in this paragraph we can read newspapers everywhere. Busy people can read this anytime. They can read important news early in the morning and they can carry the newspaper to the bus or the van. They may leave out the news not interesting to them. So let's start paragraph number 3. Television, on the other hand, requires its viewers to be at certain places at a certain time in order to watch and listen to the news. If they are busy people, they will miss the news. They cannot choose to read it on the move or throughout the day. They cannot even choose which piece of news they wish to skip. One way could be to record it and watch it later. But the point here is that is not that convenient. So students, viewers that is a noun and its synonym is watchers or onlookers, and choose is a verb. Its synonym is select or decide. Convenient, that is an adjective and its synonym is easy. In this paragraph, on the other side, television needs us to stay at a definite or certain place and at a certain time to watch and listen to the news. Busy people miss the news. If they cannot do this, they cannot read it in the movement during the whole day. They cannot decide what piece of news they want to leave out. One way may be to record the news and then watch it. Afterwards, it is not so easy to do. Means it is not an easy thing to do. So, paragraph number 4 is television brings laziness in us. We can view the news with a little or no effort since it is practically a form of entertainment. If we have the leisure time, we can view the television news any time of the day and night. It broadcasts the news as it is happening. Much mastery of language is not necessary for the person who prefers to view the news on television because everything is visual and auditory. A person with the basic knowledge of broadcast language will be able to view and understand it. In comparison, the reader of a newspaper needs to be a proficient in the language and in order to understand it better. So students, laziness is a noun and its synonym is idleness or slowness. And practically is a verb and its synonym is nearly or almost. Entertainment is a noun and its synonym is enjoyment or amusement. Leisure is a noun and its synonym is free time. Broadcast is a verb and its synonym is telecast. Mean transmit, नशर करना. Mastery is a noun and its synonym is skill or ability. Prefer is a verb and its synonym is likes better or favors. Visual, that is an adjective and its synonym is of seeing. Auditory, auditory is an adjective, synonym is of hearing. Basic, basic is an adjective and its synonym is most important. Comparison is a noun and its synonym is the contrast. Proficient is an adjective and its synonym is skillful or expert. So students, in this paragraph, television makes us lazy. It is so because we make no effort while doing it. It is nearly an entertainment, that is fun and enjoyment. If we have time, we can view the news at all times. It gives the news of happenings at once. We don't need much knowledge of the language to understand the news. On television, it is so because everything on it is seen and heard. Everyone knowing the knowledge of the television program, a little can also understand news. Compared to television, we must know the language of the newspaper to understand them. So next paragraph is, although television can give us the most updated news and visuals, newspapers can give us more in-depth coverage. Editorials and column writers can give us their expert views and analysis that we can digest slowly as we read them. Many people also opt to read more than one newspaper a day so as to get different viewpoints of the story and to check its validity. Readers can also give feedback to the articles by writing to the forum pages. Viewers of the television's news do not have this luxury as the news flies too fast for any feedback to be relevant. Updated, that is an adjective and its synonym is brought up to date. In depth, that is also an adjective and its synonym is deep or extensive. And column writers, that is also that is a noun and its synonym writers of long sections of newspaper pages. Analysis, that is that synonym is detailed explanation. And digest, that is a adverb and its synonym is take in or comprehend. Validity, that is a noun and its synonym is correctness or truth. Feedback, that is a noun and its synonym is response or opinion. Articles, that is a noun and its synonym is essays, features, etc. Forum page, that is a noun and its synonym is newspaper pages for public reading and discussion. Relevant, that is also an adjective and its synonym is suitable as needed. So in this paragraph, television gives us the latest news and pictures and also news reports are more complete. Newspaper editors and column writers give us expert views and explanations. We can understand these easily. Many people read more than one newspaper to get different views. मीन्स ये कि टेलीविज़न हमें ताज़ा तरीन ख़बरें भी पहुंचाता है, ख़बरें ज़्यादा मुकम्मल भी होती हैं। अखबारात का भी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होता है कि एडिटर कॉलम नवीस जो होते हैं वो हमें माहिराना सलाहियतें देते हैं। बहुत से लोग एक से ज़्यादा अखबार को पढ़ते हैं ताकि मुख्तलिफ आरा को हासिल कर सकें। Means to get different views and to check the correctness of reports. Readers can also write to the editors for the discussion pages in reaction to different newspapers articles. Television viewers do not have this special facility. It is so because television news move too fast and leave no time and no viewers to cannot write or say anything about in reaction. Next paragraph is that each medium has strengthens that the others does not. Other does not. Each makes use of strong points that the other lacks. Television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having a 10-course dinner. The ideal seems to be if one has the time to both read and use and watch it on the television. Medium is a noun and its synonym is way of giving more ideas, news, and lakes is a verb and its synonym is having less than needed, whereas is a conjunction and its synonym is while at the same time. Course is a noun and its synonym is a part. Ideal is a noun and its synonym is the best purpose or aim. So in this paragraph, each medium has some strong points then that the other mediums do not have. It makes use of them. Listening television news is like eating light food. Reading newspaper is like eating heavy food. Our best purpose can be to read newspaper and in newspaper and watch them on television if we have time. So students, there are used two similes in the last paragraph. The first is fast food. Food served very quickly. It is a simile, first simile, and second simile is that is the dinner, 10 dinner course, having a 10-course dinner. So students, in the first simile, the writer says fast food served very quickly means. Is in this simile, the writer links television news to a fast food. It means that television news is a part of fast food that is eaten very quickly, like a sandwich or a hamburger. And then that the next second simile is a 10-course dinner. That is dinner in 10 parts stages. And it is in this second simile, the writer Lincoln's reading newspaper papers reading to a 10-course dinner or a full dinner with several dishes, which takes quite some time to finish. So students, theme of this lesson is how much television and press means newspapers, magazines can be useful for several different ways. So in this last paragraph, each medium has some strong points that other mediums do not have. It makes use of them. Listening to television news is like eating light food. Reading newspaper is like eating a heavy food. Our best purpose can be to read newspaper and watch them. We have to time. Now we start block questions. Question number 1, that is, what is one good thing about newspaper? The one good thing about newspaper is that we have no restrictions of time and place to read it. So students, this question is that the one good thing about newspaper is that we do not have to sit at a place to read them. They can be read anytime, anywhere. Furthermore, we can use a newspaper to increase our knowledge in different fields at the same time. Question number 2, how does television make us lazy? Answer is that television makes us lazy because we have to make efforts to view programs on television. So students, in this question we do not have to make much effort to understand and think about television news. We hear the news and see the pictures on the screen. It is more of an entertainment to watch the news, which makes us lazy or relaxed. Question number 3, have you ever given your views on any article? No, I have never given my views on any article. And question number 4, which simile has the author used and why? The author has used the simile that television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having 10-course dinner, because like food, either it is fast food or not, but it is necessary for living. So both these means of communication are necessary and important for our survival and also to make the world as a global village. Students, I have also told you about with the last paragraph about similes, which similes has used. Next, we start the comprehension question. Question number 1 is, how is a newspaper more convenient medium of news? Answer is that a newspaper can be read at any time, at any place, so it does not require us to sit at a place or read the newspaper. Busy people may read the newspaper at any time of the day, so it is a more convenient medium of the news. In this question, we can read the news at any place. We can also read the news anytime. We can carry it in the bus or in the van and read selected news items. We can keep the record of newspapers in any time where we like. Question number 2, that how does a viewer get restricted while watching TV news? Answer is that television records its viewers to be at a certain place and a certain time in order to watch and listen to the news. If a viewer has to leave his place, he may miss the television news, so he gets restricted while watching TV news. Students, this question is that a television viewer get restricted because he has to be present at a certain place and time to watch the news. He cannot select which news he may hear or watch at any time. He cannot easily keep a good record of the news he likes. Question number 3, in what way viewing news or television is easier than reading newspaper? Answer is that watching news on television is just like to have an entertainment. Everything is visual and auditory. Much mastery of language is also not necessary. Therefore, viewing news on television is easier than newspaper. So students, television because much control and of the language is not needed. Everything that is presented on television scene or screen is seen or heard. We enjoy watching news and we also enjoy reading stories. Sometimes watching news is like watching short plays. Question number 4 is that how does newspaper give us more in-depth coverage? Answer is that newspaper gives us detailed news. They give us expert views and analysis. They also print different views of common people. In this way, newspaper gives us more in-depth coverage. So students, newspaper give much deeper and much complete news and give us and reports through details views of experts and essays. They give different and common of some of editors and readers in the editorials and letters. Next question, question number 5 is that why do some people read more than one newspaper? Answer is that some people read more than one newspaper to get different viewpoints of the incidents and check for their validity. So students, some people read more than newspapers. How they have to get different views, stories, reports. They compare the stories and statements in the different newspaper. They check their correctness. Sometimes a newspaper is not over a taste. Question number 6 is that how can readers give feedback to the newspaper articles? Answer is that readers can give their feedback to the articles by writing to the forum pages. Viewers of television's news do not have this luxury, as news flies too fast for any feedback to the relevant. So students, reader can view their reactions or comment. Yes, through letters to the editors, written comments on the internet. They can criticize one newspaper in another opposed to it. Sometimes he or she can discuss and compare different articles that are published in newspapers. Question number 7 is that which medium do you prefer for news? Why? I prefer both mediums for news for their good points and specialties. Each medium has strengthened that the other does not. Each makes use of strong points that the other lacks. Television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having a 10-course dinner, as I have told you earlier. Firstly, that again I will tell you, and that firstly, I do not have time to spend on newspaper reading for an hour or two. Secondly, I enjoy watching pictures while listening to the news. And thirdly, I can switch from one television channel to another within a few moments, and can have variety of news, stories, reports. So television viewing is much easier than reading a newspaper. Next question is that is your writing skills, and write a comparative essay on the influence of the electronic media and print media, and you have to write 220 words to 250 at least. Print media is a media that provides printed materials to the reader. Print media includes newspaper, books, magazines, journals, etc. And electronic media is also is a media that use electronics and with which we use with electricity. That includes radio, television, computer, mobile phones, online television channels, and other online radio sources which are available on online. The primary electronic media source is video recordings, audio recordings, multimedia presentations, slide presentations, CD-ROM and online content. And electronic media has a great impact on the print media. On the print media. There was a time when books were written by hands. It is a fact. Their printing was very difficult job, and these days electronic media has made these tasks very easy. So electronic media has changed print media very much. For example, most reporters files information or write their stories electronically from remote locations. In many cases, breaking stories are written by staff members through information collected and submitted by other reporters who are out in the on the field gathering information for an event that has just occurred that needs to be broadcasted instantly. Radio and television reporters often compose stories and reports live from the scene. Print media gets this material instantly and messages to the print within a very short period. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. सुबहानक अल्लाहुम्मा व बिहम्दिका अशहदु अन ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता अस्तगफिरुका व अतूबु इलैका।